తమ్ముడు సౌండ్ పెట్టి గిప్ అని గుద్దుతే బేస్ గుమ్మని రావాలి.
Nikhil Martin.
Pay attention, all of you. Look at this example. This will answer. This will tell you how to answer problems of this type. What's the domain? It will accept all real numbers. Domain is no. What is range of about this function
Nikhil Martin.
will start its journey from where? For what value of x?
Zero.
Therefore, what is the range? Range of the form or x square plus 4 below 4. You know what Shoaib asked earlier problem? He asked range of under root of 4 plus x square.
DJ
Where is
Shabir.
4 plus x square lying in? 4 to infinity. Is 4 to infinity का आप क्या ले रहे हैं? What's the range? Square root of 4. What's the answer? Range of उसमें डाल दे।
DJ Shabir.
नेक्स्ट
अंदो 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 తమ్ముడు తెలుసు కదా సౌండ్ పెట్టి గిప్ అని కొడితే
1/7 whole power 4 to 6 square.
DJ Cypressy from Mehboob.
1/7 whole power 4 to
DJ
6
Kiran from
square.
Mehboob Nagar.
What is this 1/7 whole power 4 to 6 What is 7 power minus x? The graph of 7 power minus x. Definition function. Therefore, this is what? 7 power minus 7 whole power is 4 to 6 square. Decreasing function. 7 power minus infinity open. Wherever 7 power minus infinity goes to 0, 7 power. A problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forms of
DJ Cypressy from Mehboob Nagar.
freedom. I'll put some
DJ
music
Kiran
on.
from Mehboob Nagar. DJ Cypressy from Mehboob Nagar. DJ Kiran from Mehboob Nagar. DJ Cypressy from Mehboob Nagar. DJ Kiran from Mehboob Nagar. Kiran from Mehboob Nagar. DJ Cypressy from Mehboob Nagar.
ఎరా సంకినాల డీజే కొట్టు డీజే
Nikhil, Martin, 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 Martin.
Rock this.
अरे हटा चल अपना बजा
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, upper part.
Nikhil, Martin, 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 Martin.
In case it is not range of f of x is equal to
Rock this.
what is coefficient of x squared here? E positive.
Nikhil, Martin, Martin,
Even
चल
degree
अपना बजा
polynomial. It is an even degree polynomial. So as x goes to infinity, in fact, as x goes to plus or minus infinity, where will f of x goes to? Infinity. Pay attention. Man. So function infinity को जाना तो पक्का है. What do I require? What do I require? Minimum value. For that, maxima, minima. For max or min, what happens, man? First derivative will be 0. Physics में पढ़े है?
Yes, sir.
Physics में पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
3 into. बोलो x square derivative.
2x.
बचे लोग x square derivative. 7 into x derivative 1. Constant derivative 0 is equal to 0. क्या आएगा? 6x is equal to minus 7. X क्या है? Minus 7 by 6. Am I correct, man?
Yes, sir.
So what is f of minus 7 by 6? बोलो आप 3 into minus 7 by 2 whole square 7 into minus 7 by 6 plus 10. मैं LCM नहीं लेता. कैलकुलेशन आपका जिम्मा है. चलो स्टार्ट. चलो स्टार्ट. चलाई
17/3 comma infinity.
क्या बोले
17/3 comma infinity.
17/3 just check it 71/12 नहीं होता
Yes sir, 71/12.
मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको ऐसा बोल रहा है
सर मैं 46 ले लिया सर 49 की जगह.
No, is it 71/12
Doing sir.
बच्चे लोग is it 71/12
Yes sir. 71/12. Got.
so what's the range 71 by range is equal to 71/12 71/12 comma infinity same problem range of log base 7 3x square plus 7x plus 10 give me answers for these two finished one
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done sir. Log 17/12 base 7 comma infinity.
can I
Log 71/12 base 7 comma infinity.
what's the first answer log of
71/12 base 7.
infinity second answer
5 power 71/12 to infinity.
71/12 comma infinity close the logic changes I want at least one whole class to think and give me answer logic changes what is the function you should look at G of x is equal to x minus x square. What's the coefficient of x square?
-1.
-1.
So as x goes to plus or minus infinity, where will f of x goes to? Where will f of x goes to? Where will f
Minus
of x goes to? Bolo ji.
minus infinity.
Ah, I should not say f of x. I should have said g of x. Now give me the answer.
Of
Now give me the answer.
zero comma 1.
Chup.
0 comma root 3. Minus infinity comma root 3 sir.
minus infinity comma 1/2.
X equal to 0. X derivative 1.
Minus infinity comma root 3 sir.
Minus infinity comma root 3, sir.
What is x is equal to 1?
1/2.
1 by 2. What is g of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. What is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4?
-1/2.
Is it minus 1 by 4 or plus 1 by 4?
1/4 sir. 1 by plus 1 by
1 by 4. So where will g of, what is this? G of x is going to where?
minus infinity.
So this 1 by 4 will act as
Maximum.
maximum value. Therefore, g of x is equal to x minus x square will belong to where? Minus infinity comma 1 by 4. Now you are looking at what? F of x is equal to 3 power minus infinity to 1 by 4. So what does it become? 3 power minus infinity open, 3 power 1 by 4 closed. Where will 3 power minus infinity goes to?
0.
Fourth root of. This is step. This is step. This is step. Inside mod sin x plus mod cos x.
-1 comma
Sir, 0,2.
No. बाहर step by जी step function will give you only integers. क्या बोल रही? गलत बोल रही? Hello. Mod sin x plus mod cos x is an periodic function of period pi by 2. Am I correct? From trigonometry. याद है भूल गए? From trigonometry, mod sin x plus mod cos x is a periodic function of period pi by 2. Pi by 2 add करो sin 90 plus theta cos theta. Pi by 2 add करो cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. But you are in modulus, so you will get back this. Pi by 2 add करने से this function becomes this function becomes this. What do you mean by period? It should not change. So it is not changing for what value of x? For what increment given to x?
Pi by 2.
Now look here. Therefore,
Sir, can you repeat once again?
you please check the notes of periodicity trigonometry. Okay? Thank you. Look at once again repeat. Mod sin x plus mod cos x. Add pi by 2. Sin 90 plus theta cos theta. Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. But you are in modulus. So this will become mod cos x plus mod sin x. फंक्शन को कौन सा इंक्रीमेंट देने से वापस हमें फंक्शन मिल रहा है pi by 2. Therefore it's a periodic function of period pi by 2. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में नहीं पढ़े? अदनान भूल गए?
Yes, sir.
शाबाश, भूल गए तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. So in 0 to pi by 2, mod sin x is sin x, mod cos x is cos x. I will call this as g of x. Let g of x be equal to sin x plus cos x. Or y g of x and call. Let y be equal to, I will call. Let y be equal to sin x plus cos x. What is y square?
2 sin x cos x.
Good. Sin square x plus cos square.
Plus 2 sin x. 1 plus 2 sin x cos x.
1 plus 2 sin x cos x. 1 plus
2
sin 2x. Where will sin 2x lie in?
Minus
1
1
to 1.
Where will sin 2x lie in?
Minus
1, 1.
You are in the interval 0 to pi by 2.
0 to 1.
So you are lying in 0 to 1. You are adding 1. So what does it becomes?
1 to 2.
1 to 2. Y square belongs to 1 to 2. So where will y belongs to?
1 to root 2.
Root 1 to root 2. So where will y belongs to? 1 to root 2. Is y ka? What is y? What is this? This. So come back. So f of x के अंदर you had sin x plus cos x. Where is this sin x plus cos x lying in? Close to root 2. In values का आप क्या ले रहे हैं? In values का आप क्या ले रहे हैं?
Step.
In values का आप क्या ले रहे हैं? Step of real numbers that lie in 1 to 1.4 is how much?
1 to 1.
Singleton 1. So range is equal to, or range is set containing 1. Only those things which I explained earlier there is nothing in the problem. Next one, problem देख के answer बोलना. If you are practicing problems from Cengage, this problem should be a cakewalk. इसका आंसर नहीं आ रहा, मतलब ये है you have not started doing problems from Cengage range problems.
Sir, is the answer 0?
Very good. Why and how?
Because the greatest integer function will have its range as integers, and when you put multiply it by pi and apply sine or tan, it will result in 0. So numerator will become 0 and the function is 0.
Your name?
Ishaq.
You were there in the class right from the beginning.
Yeah, sir. Like 2 weeks later, I joined.
Very good. Very good. Very good. From which school you are?
DPS.
Shabash. Shabash. Did you understand what Isaac said? Did you understand what Isaac said? Step function will take any number, but step function will give you only integers. Sine of integer pi, tan of integer pi is 0. Since sine n pi, comma tan n pi is equal to 0, what's the numerator? Numerator equal to 0 for all x belonging to R. Hence f of x is 0. Or what is the range? Don't require any pen paper. What's the range? Singleton 0. Set containing 0. Isaac, shabash. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Did you understand what I said? And what is Isaac said the same?
Yes,
Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, any questions? Adnan?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Nalgonda? Sikbatullah? Warangal? Warangal?
Clear, sir. Everything is clear.
Look here. One more problem. Pay attention. Do not write. Listen here. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
I cleared off coffee from your nearest neighbor. Look here. One more problem. Range of do not write. Listen here, man. always positive, always positive, always positive. बच्चे लोग सुनो, always positive, always positive, always positive. It will be there on the board. You can copy later. As x goes to plus or minus infinity, f of x जरूर कहाँ जाएगा? Infinity. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
No. Pay attention. Where will first one will become 0?
Equal to 3.
Where will second one will become 0?
7.
Third one will become 0?
11.
Take their arithmetic mean. कितना है जी?
7.5. 21 by 7, sir. 7. 7, sir. 7.
Abrar, are you okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just took 2, sir.
Call this as K. Range will be. इसका proof बाद में बताऊंगा. Closed f of k to infinity. Put 7 in the function. What value first one gives you?
4.
4. Second one 0.
0.
Third one
Minus 4. 4.
modulus
Mod
में
of
है.
minus 4.
Plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 0. What will I get?
8.
Remember, all three must be modulus and always plus sign in between. There should not be any minus. Apply same technique here. Apply same technique. Range of f of x is dash. Come on, I'm waiting for the answer.
Infinity.
4 comma infinity, sir.
Zero comma infinity.
1 comma.
Answer mark.
4 comma infinity, sir. 4.
4 comma infinity is correct. నేను చేయాలి
4 comma infinity.
4 comma infinity, sir.
నేను చేయాలి
No, sir.
నేను చేయాలి look here, this will become 0 for 0, this for 1, this for 2, this for 3, What's the arithmetic mean?
3 by 2.
0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 by 4. Is it 3 by 2?
Yes, sir.
3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 minus 1 is half. 1.5 plus half is 2. Half, 2.5. 2.5 plus 1.5. 4. So what's the range? 4 comma infinity. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
2018 JEE mains question. 2018 JEE mains question. You know what is this called in Hyderabad? You know what is this called in Hyderabad? बोलूं मैं? In Hyderabadi
Meganathan.
slang, this is called किसमें कितना है दम. किसमें कितना है दम. दो 2018 जेईई मेंस क्वेश्चन. नंबर चेंज किया मैं. It was 2018 question. So the last term was 2017 by 2018. Here 2020 है. So what is my last term? 20 is by 20. 21 is by
Sir.
20.
1 minute, sir. We will do. Sir, first one is 1, second one is second one is 2013 plus f of 2014 by 2020.
So first one
Sir,
is one.
first one is
First one
1
is
and
one.
second one is 1010.
First one is one.
Is it Isaac?
Yes, sir.
At least 90% of the class should get answer for the first one. Man. First one to आसान में answer is 1. 90% of the class should get answer for the first one. First answer is 1. You know why? What is f of x plus f of 1 minus x? F of x is 9 power x by. What is f of 1 minus x? 9 power 1 minus x by. Come on, simplify this. Plus, how do you write second term? 9 by 9 power x by 9 by 9 power x plus 3. Am I correct? 9 power 1 minus x I am writing as 9 by 9 power x. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
9 power x by plus LCM 9 power x will cancel off. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Numerator 9, denominator 9 plus 3 into 9 power x. Again, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Numerator denominator में can you see a common term? Numerator and denominator, can you see a common term? 3. 3 will go in 9 3 times. 3 will go in 9 3 times. 3 into 9 power x is 9 power x. Denominator same. Numerator also same. Adding, what does it gives you? आंसर बोलूं मैं सेकंड टर्म का
1010.
1010.
1009.5. 1009.5. How many terms are there?
2019.
2019. Look here, man. F of
Of 1 minus 2 by 2.
wait man. There is one term left over. That term will be middle term. You know what is that term? What are the last two terms? What are the last two terms? Below. All of you, do you agree with this step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you, do you agree with this step?
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
Zoi, Zuku, Zoi, Zuku. How many pairs I will get? How many pairs I will get? 28, because number of terms are 2019. एक term निकाल दिया 2018. How many pairs I get? By 2, 1009. 1009 pairs I get. Now look here. How do I write 2019 by 2020? 1 minus 1 by 2020. Can I? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
F of 1 by b's plus f of 2 by b's. F of यहाँ क्या आया 10 by 2020. फिर से बोलो. What is 2018? It is not 2018. It is getting paired with this. So what
1
will I get?
minus 2 by
Minus 2 by
2020.
b's. How do I write f of 2019 by 2020? F of 1 minus 1 by 2020. These two are paired. These two are paired. So here what is x value? Here what is x value? What is x value? 1 by b's. What is x value? 2 by b's. What is one term left over? 10 by 2020. What is 10 by 2020? 10 by 2020.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Since f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1, put x is equal to half. F of half plus another f of half. So what will I get? 2 times f of half is 1. F of half is how much? 1 by. How many ones I collect? How many ones I collect?
1009.
Ones I collect 1009. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? 1009 times plus half. So 1009.5 is the answer. Sir? Sir? Huh? 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 Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Don't have right side, sir.
अज्ञान समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अज्ञान को समझ में आया बोले तो खत्म है. Sigma these b's fractional part of x plus r by these b's. Simple problem, man.
Minus step of x by 2020.
Answer is fractional part of x. Will r have any effect on denominator?
No.
Bachalo, will r have any effect on denominator? Answer is no. So denominator bar फेंक दो. 1 by 2020. Expand the numerator.
X plus r minus step of
One. Or do one thing, man.
x minus step of x.
Sigma r is equal to 1 to 2020. Fractional part of x plus r. What is fractional part of x?
X minus
What is fractional part of x?
X minus
X minus
So 1 by b's sigma r equal to 1 to b's क्या आएगा? X plus r minus of step of x plus r. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm moving ahead. Since what is fractional part of x plus n?
Step x plus n.
So कौन सा नंबर बाहर निकल जाता?
Minus
Sigma r is equal to 1 to n x plus r minus of step
step
x.
x
When r comes
minus
out with a negative sign,
uh,
so what will cancel off?
r.
R. So how many x minus step x I will collect? How many x minus step x I will collect?
20,
20,
20.
20.
20. So 1 by 20 into 20 x minus step x. So these two will cancel out. So what's the answer?
Fractional part of x.
X minus step x or fractional part of x.
The answer.
Just define them today. Details on this. Tomorrow. Look at अब range हो गया. Next part. Even and odd functions. Let y is equal to f of x be a function. If f of minus x is equal to f of x, then y is equal to f of x is said to be an even function. F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Then y is equal to f of x is said to be an odd. That means replace x by minus x. Replace x by minus x. Function may no change, even function. Function may change and you are getting a minus sign. Function is said to be an odd function. Details in the next class tomorrow. Write the definition.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. You can leave. We'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.